Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is day 43 of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and today I'm just going to show you how to make oats in the microwave. So this is just a quick meal, peanut butter, if you know you know. Anyways, I'm just going to pour my oats in my plate. So this is the quantity I was going for, and then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 cubes of sugar and my milk. I like pouring enough milk because I love milk. And then I'm going to add water. It doesn't matter if the water is cold or room temperature, it's going to go into the microwave anyways. So yeah, just adding enough water, and please make sure you add enough, like I mean enough water. So now I'm done mixing. I'm going to add my peanut butter. You can add any quantity you want. I love adding peanut butter to my oats, it's very nice. So now I'm going to put the oats in the microwave, and then I'm going to set the microwave to frost and the time to 10 minutes. So once it's done, this is what it looks like, y'all. Like, this is just a quick meal. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment letting me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.